It's a problem long dogging the mother how to persuade young children to brush teeth. With all out efforts cast, mothers still find it hard to complete the persuasion. This protracted issue not only wastes the time of the persuader, but renders nasty threat to the persuaded. Is there any possible means to breed interest of toothbrushing among the young, or even to make them love this exercise? Lanbei releases its maiden 360 degrees electric toothbrush for children, with 5 colors and 8 cartoon styles available for option. Your children will be enslaved at the first sight. Compared with the ordinary rod design, Lanbei adopts a lovely rounded pattern to totally adapt to children's grasping. The replaceable 3-sided curving brush head allows baby users to easily brush their teeth 360 degrees clean. Moreover, the chamfer could be attended also. Food standard bacterial static silicone kit, perfect size, 3 gears adjustable vibrating frequency, make it an immaculate choice for children at all age groups to fulfill a rapid cleaning task to protect their tender gingerly. The children-friendly design of the transparent hood prevents the invasion of dust and germs on one hand, and functions as the teeth mug to facilitate outings on the other. All details are well considered to help your babies grow up healthily. Lanbei sparks children's interests in teeth cleaning and permits them to do it in fun. Devoted to developing good teeth care habits among children and saving more time for parents. Lanbei 360 degrees children's electric toothbrush. Keep global children away from tooth decay.